Hey, so you're in high school right now and you want to get into the welding industry. Well, I'll go ahead and tell you the biggest obstacle you're going to have is that you have no experience. Every company and contractor out there wants 3 to 5 years work experience. My question for you, how do you get to 3 to 5 if no one will ever give you the first 1 year of experience? Well, we can crack that for you here at the Kentucky Welding Institute. We'll launch you into your career with a resume packed full of industry certifications, all right? So you're gonna come out with a Basic Plus, an MSHA 24, an OSHA 30, a TWIC, an ASHI CPR and first aid card, and you'll be certified to rig and signal for crane operators with NCCCEO. So basically, you look like you've been in the industry a long time. That's not lying, that's shoring you up in the experiences you need and certifying you to those industry respected certifications. In addition, we're going to stack your resume with the American Welding Society welding certifications. We are an accredited testing facility. Matter of fact, right now we have 7 certified welding inspectors on staff looking to certify you in your welding codes. So, why does that help you out in the industry? Well, when HR looks to hire somebody, they're looking for someone they can test and then bring on the job. Most HRs know, though, that roughly it's 50-50 as far as who they bring in and who actually passes those welding tests. When they look at you and they see that you're a certified welder with the American Welding Society, they know that you're going to pass that welding test that they're going to throw out in front of you. So I'm telling you, we're getting our guys hired. That's why in the last 9 months, our job placement is 100%, with grads averaging upwards of $33 an hour on that first job out. This is where you want to be if you want to start your welding career and get hot.